Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you the step-by-step guide how you can easily start your own C corporation in Texas. This is going to be a full tutorial from the beginning to finish how you can order C corporation, because I believe that we as a business owners should focus on running the business, making money, providing value to people, and not taking care too much about accounting, administration, and all the how we can start the company, because we have only one time and we should focus it better. So in this video I'm going to show you the best way I think there is to start an S corporation in Texas. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do to start a C corporation is just scroll down below on this video and click on the link in the description. When you're going to do it, you will get right here to Incfile, and Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help you start your own C corporation in Texas. And here you want to click Start My Business. When you're going to click on Start My Business, you're going to get right here, and you want to change the LLC to C corporation, and then state of formation you want to find Texas. Now when you're going to do it, you're going to have three packages: silver, gold, and platinum. With the silver you're going to have the basics: it's unlimited name search, is free registered agent service for a year, but my recommendation is going with the gold package, in which you would have all the important stuff as a business tax number, corporation bylaws, banking resolution, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, everything. You can choose the platinum, in which you would have three things as business contract templates, expedited filling, domain name, business email. But if you don't need those, you don't have to do it. Expedited filling means that your C corporation would be filled faster, but you will get it also in a gold package too. So click on the gold package, and then you just add here first name, last name, email. So Marcus Stonelius, and I'm going to add an email address. You would add it right there, and then phone number. So that's the next step, phone number, and under that you're gonna add address. So phone number here, and then street address here, city, state, and zip code. Now when you got it, press next here. And then you're going to have two options: state filling time. So you can have it in 9 business days or 5 weeks. That's completely up to you. And when you will have it, press next. How fast you want to have your own company. Now you're going to add a C corporation name. So here you're going to add, let's say, Marcus Stonelius C Corp. And designator, let's say it's going to be incorporated. You can choose the designator that you want. And when you're going to have it, you have to add also number of directors, how many directors you're going to have. Now, when you're going to have the directors, then you have to add a business purpose. So here you're going to add, let's say, I'm in marketing, so I'll go marketing service for small business owners. And now when I have it, and when you will get it, the next step is industry keyword. So here I will add let's say marketing, and I will have marketing consulting services. Then number of shares, how many shares you're gonna have. So that's another thing that you can have. And then let's say I have 1000, and number of share per value 0.05. So here when I got it, I'm going to also add number of shareholders too. Then you're going to have the company address information, and you can choose between the use your own address or professional business address and virtual mail service. That would mean that you would maintain privacy by using a commercial address or not at all. So that's completely up to you how you choose that, and press next again. Then when you got it, what you want to do is just easily choose the premium service package if you want to, and you don't have to have it, of course, but you can have it if you want to business contract templates, the domain name, business email address. And you can click here, no thanks, I'll pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. So when you're gonna have it, you can easily choose directors here, officers. So you have to fill officers, secretaries, and then treasurer. So then secretary, treasurer, you're gonna have the vice president, but you don't have to have it if you don't want to. and then you would click next. Now, when you would have it, you can simply choose a shareholder. So here, you can have shareholder 1 and the number of shares, and then shareholder 2. And you would add a first name and last name. And again, how many shareholders the person is going to have, and then you would find also the shareholders remaining. Now, the next step that you want to do is just easily click next here. And then what you want to do is just simply have like the register agent information. And if you want, you can assign Incfile as your registered agent free for the first year, so they will solve everything for you, or you can act as your own registered agent. My recommendation would have an Incfile as a registered agent service, and in that way you're not going to make any mistake and you're going to have more time to focus on running the business. And then you have to add the tax identification number. So here you would add also the SSN number, and Incfile would apply and obtain your employer identification number from the IRS electronically. And when you're gonna have it, you're gonna add a physical street address here. So now you got it, press next. And then you're gonna have option to set up a small business banking account. So you can have a Bank of America small business specialist contact you, or not at this time. When you have it, press next. Then you're gonna have the tax strategy free consultation. So you will learn everything about Incfile, how the corporation is taxed, how to choose the proper IRS, how to reduce the chance on the IRS audit. And you can click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation, and click next again. Then you're gonna have the business licenses and permits. So Incfile would identify everything you need, all the licenses, and then they would send it to you. All the necessary applications, they would just send it to you what you need. So when you got it, yes, identify all licenses I need and use the company address. Then press next here. And then you're gonna have the review order of everything that you wanted for C Corporation in Texas. You would see everything, how everything is done here, and then press next again. And then billing information here, first name, last name, address, card number. You would fill it out and then complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how you can easily start your own C Corporation in Texas. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And that's pretty much it. So thank you, have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.